Welcome to San Sebastian, where the sea, food, and culture collide. Oh, and the locals call it Donostia. Escadi Casco for joining me on this video. Join me on this video as we have some pintxos, adventure through that. We visit the old town, we visit the views of the beach, the culture, the rhythm, and the vibrant city life that there is. Among the various nouns and adjectives that can be used to describe San Sebastian, water is key. There's a river and two beaches of the Atlantic Ocean right side by side. La Concha Beach is a crescent-shaped urban beach, famous for its golden sand, calm turquoise waters, and postcard-perfect setting framed by Mount Ugarl and Mount Igueldo and a Santa Clara Island in the middle. It's often cited as one of the most beautiful city beaches in all of Europe, blending natural beauty with elegant urban charm. But it's more than a beach. It's a fusion of natural beauty and urban sophistication. The calm waters and sweeping views make it ideal for relaxation, while the lively promenade and nearby Old Town add cultural vibrancy. At sunset, the bay transforms into a glowing panorama, often considered the quintessential image of San Sebastian, Donostia. And if one beach is good, two must be better. So there's also Thuriola Beach, which is across the river, across the bridges, and there's another beach, and it's devoted to surfing because the waves are much bigger there. They're not protected by that small island in the middle. So whatever your flavor of beach activity is, San Sebastian has it for you, unless you want warmer water. This is the southern northern Atlantic. Parte Vieja, San Sebastian's old town. So that's the city's culinary heartbeat. It's a lively maze of cobbled streets where pintxo bars spill over with color, aroma, and chatter. Lots of chatter. Counters are stacked with gildas, which we stick with the olives and the sardine and stuff on there. The tortillas, seafood bites, while locals hop from bar to bar, raising glasses of crisp txakoli, which is their version of a bubbly white wine, also called champagne in France. Here, tradition and innovation mingle. Rustic taverns serve old-age recipes beside avant-garde gastro bars. The atmosphere is electric, blending history, music, and laughter, making every pintxo not just a snack, but a story in the Basque way of life. So we could theoretically walk all the way up there, but no thanks. It's a 300-foot climb. So after all this eating, take a walk around Monte Igueldo. That's the spit of land, that's the peninsula that separates the two beaches, and it's also where the river comes out. So take a walk around that, see the spectacular waves from the Atlantic crashing in, and see the color that they are. Now, I don't know what tide this was when we were filming, but I imagine the tide gets higher, so the waves during storm season can be quite spectacular. So enjoy that, get some steps in because that was a lot of food we were eating. And finally, let's talk about the people of San Sebastian. So the people of San Sebastian, or Donostia, embody a proud Basque spirit rooted in tradition yet open to the world. They are warm, sociable, and deeply connected to their culture, gathering in plazas and pintxo bars to share food, wine, and conversation. Their love of gastronomy is legendary, blending age-old recipes with modern creativity, while festivals like Tamborrada showcase their joy and communal rhythm with a lifestyle shaped by the sea, elegant promenades, and a strong sense of identity. San Sebastian's people radiate both heritage and cosmopolitan charm. Now, a couple footnotes. The Basque people speak a separate language called Escudadi or something like that, and we call it Basque. It's a separate language not rooted in the rest of the languages in Europe. It predates the other languages in Europe, so it's not related to French, Spanish, English, or anything. And I found that just learn a few words in their language, and they are delighted that you're even attempting to do so. Because as languages go, at least the words I learned were easier than in some other languages. So, like eskarik asko, which means thank you. That'll go a long way to impressing them. So, speaking of impressing, while you're here, click like and subscribe. And share this video with some friends who are thinking of going to San Sebastian or hadn't heard of it, but you want them to know about it, and have them add it to their bucket list. So thank you very much. Enjoy. No, that's different.
No, Basque
That's
cheesecake.
That's cheesecake.
But look at Basque is Basque.
No, that's a different. See, it has a line in there.
Oh.